guys, we're gonna get the coffee machine so to put it in the Bohemian house in the kitchen. So first we're gonna go in this apartment in Boca City. We got this.
Okay, it's on top of the fridge.
Yeah. Let's give it to Rita.
Alright. But you can also find it in other places, right?
Yeah.
So where else? Where?
Over in the hospital.
Okay.
So we're gonna go to the baby section.
Alright.
We're gonna go over here.
Okay, so you already have it, but
Yeah.
you can get it there.
Yeah.
I think they have them in the hotel.
Yeah.
So go to the Omelette Islands.
And the 0
Yeah. It's the ground floor.
is in the hotel. Over here, right?
Okay.
Over here.
Alright. And then you can find it in one more place, in the stables.
Oh, the stables.
Yeah. In Lettuceland.
Over here.
Alright. So let's see. So yeah,
Over
so
here.
there, they have a coffee maker also.
It shapes like a dog.
Yes, it is. Alright, so now go back to your kitchen.
In the Bohemian house.
Yep. And put your coffee maker so that your kitchen will be complete.
Over here. Okay. Over here.
Why don't you put it on the counter?
Okay.
There you go.